Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. I don't take them for granted, okay? Thank you so much for always showing up, liking my videos, sharing my video, leaving me a beautiful comment. Thank you guys so much. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how you can make your VJJ very tight and get your virginity back. So this recipe, we are going to be using it as a VJ steaming, okay? So sit back if you would love to know the ingredients, the spices that I used, okay? So these are the spices, the ingredients we'll be using for this remedy. I have some mint leaf, scent leaf, cinnamon stick, lemon peel. I just peel out the skin of lemon, some cloves, some oda, and some cloves. So these are all the spices we are using. All right. All the spices, they are all natural spices and they are packed with lots and lots of benefits. And they are spices you can get in your kitchen. All the spices are packed with lots and lots of benefits. So this remedy, you can use it for steaming and you can also drink from it. So in a pan, I have water. There's no measurement, okay? I just go with the flow. I have some water which has started boiling already. I'm going to allow it to boil very well. Then I will transfer all my ingredients inside the hot water and allow this to boil for at least 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, it's boiling nicely. Then how are you going to use this for steaming? Transfer this into a bucket. Please make sure you are using that bucket for yourself alone. Alright, then you transfer this water inside. Allow it to cool down just a little bit, not too cool, okay, and not too hot, so you don't hurt yourself. Then you sit on the bucket. Make sure you are using a bucket that is very strong, okay? Sit on top. Take some clothes, use it to wrap from your waist down to enable the heat to enter inside of you very well, okay? Maybe when you are feeling too hot, you stand up a little bit, take some rest, then you continue with the process. You can just sit for like, let me say 3 to 5 minutes, okay? Please do not do this when you are pregnant or when you are seeing your menses. No. I love to do my immediately after my menses. It's very good. It cleans any unwanted dirt and it gives that place a very nice scent and it tightens it also. Okay, please, every lady need this. If you have not been VJ steaming, start doing it. You are going to love yourself. You are going to love the feeling, how you'll be feeling. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.